Hey, my name is Jenny J. I'm an online coach, personal trainer, and group fitness instructor. And in this video, we're gonna be tackling those love handles, the side of the hips, the glute area that just doesn't wanna go away. We're gonna specifically do some exercises to really target that troublesome area. For today's workout, we're gonna be doing 5 exercises, a total of 2 rounds, 45 seconds of work followed by 15 seconds of rest. All you need is your body and a mat, and let's go ahead and get started. For the side plank pulses, make sure to stack the shoulder on top of the elbow and line up your hips, knees, and ankles. Lift the hips 1 inch up, 1 inch down, really squeezing and focusing on your oblique muscles. For the side plank pulses, really make sure that you open up your chest and shoulders to the side. If you need an option, drop that bottom knee down for a little bit less resistance. For the Superman lifts, make sure that your eyes are looking straight down towards the mat. Extend the fingers and the toes and lift up at the same time, squeezing your glutes and holding it up for a second before coming back down with control. For the rainbow taps, come in an all-fours position. Stack the shoulders on top of wrists, hips on top of knees, and tap your foot side to side, creating a nice big rainbow in your transition. Squeeze the glutes. Make sure to keep those hips square to the floor. So the toe is pointing down, the heel is pointing up, and really contract the core. Think about pressing your belly button to your spine. For the plank glute lifts, make sure that you're in a high plank position. Stack the shoulders on top of wrists, squeeze your booty as you lift one leg up, drop it back down, and then switch other side. Your option is to drop down to those knees. much for checking out my channel. If you enjoyed today's workout, hit like, comment below, and let me know how the workout went. And if you enjoyed these workouts, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you know every single time I upload a new video. Now, if you want that in-class experience where you feel like I am teaching directly to you, giving you that motivation and instruction that you need, make sure to head to jennyjfitness.com and start a 7-day free trial where you get access to all of my live stream classes. From cardio, strength, HIIT, yoga, dance, and so much more. New workouts are being added every single week, so go check it out. See you next time.